Hi, I'm Peter King, and this here is Andrew Paul. We're co-inventors of the Aquaprotect marine anti-fouling technology. The technology has been granted full patents in Australia, China and Singapore, and is currently under examination in the US. Recently we just sold our first license for the technology in marine seismic streamers for the oil and gas exploration industry. We put the technology through the lean launch pad in 2015.
Biofouling is a serious problem for a whole range of marine industries. The problem has been largely solved for a lot of them through the use of toxic copper-based paints. However, there's also a whole lot of industries that use non-paintable polymers as the basis for their infrastructure. So for these industries, there is no anti-fouling solution. And so that causes a whole range of problems, and it's very expensive. So for example, a report we commissioned for marine seismic streamers found that the cost of biofouling for this industry was about $1 million per boat per day. And in Lean Launchpad we spoke to Tasmania's largest salmon producer, and they told us they spend $8 million per year on cage cleaning.
So we use a supersonic spray of metal particles to create a coating that's durable and requires essentially no surface preparation, and it gives us broad spectrum anti-fouling control. The copper particles are embedded into the polymer surface, so that the polymer actually holds them physically in place. And this is treatment that only affects the first few tens of microns of material, so that there's no change to the bulk properties of the polymer.
We think there's a great opportunity to start a new enterprise to service the whole range of marine industries to supply this anti-fouling coating. Initial customers would be significant oil and gas infrastructure companies in Western Australia, wave energy companies in Western Australia, and aquaculture companies in Tasmania. From there we could see growth occurring through incorporating, first of all, more industries and then expanding to go internationally. The benefit from the technology would come through revenue raised by the startup company, and there'd be direct benefit to the end user companies because it would eliminate their biofouling problem.